Hey guys, Miss Warren here. I'm going to go over the color wheel with y'all. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to label it. I'm going to start with my primary colors, and I'm going to start with my lightest primary color at the top, which is yellow. Then I'm going to put P for primary because it's one of the primary colors. Now this is a 12-part color wheel, so I know that my tertiaries are going to go here. My secondary is going to go here. Another tertiary is going to go here, and this is where another primary color would go. So I'm going to go ahead and put red and a P for primary. If it helps you, you can kind of draw an evenly spaced triangle to help you remember where your primary colors are going to be, because there's 3 of them. My next primary color is blue. I'm going to put a P for primary. Now, I know that I'm going to skip one in between each color, and then those will be my secondary colors. So secondary colors is when you mix these 2 colors together. So when you mix blue and yellow, you get a secondary color. I'm going to put an S for secondary. And what happens when you mix blue and yellow? You get green. Now, because yellow is a lighter color, you want to use almost double the amount of yellow than you do blue to get a good even green. Now, over here, I know we're going to skip one, and this is also a secondary color, one where you mix yellow and red. What do you get when you mix yellow and red? You're going to get orange. Now, in between these 2 colors, when you mix these 2 colors, yet again, we're going to skip for the tertiary colors, and you'll get another secondary color. I'm going to put S for secondary, and it's violet. Now, you could put purple, but our art word is violet. Okay. Now, all of our other ones are going to be our in-between colors, our tertiary colors. So I'm going to put a -T for tertiary. I think it's our 3rd category of color. Okay, so those are all going to be tertiary colors. Now these words are hyphenated. So if you mix yellow and green, you get yellow-green. Okay, the primary color always comes first. If you mix yellow and orange, you get yellow-orange. If you mix orange and red, you get red-orange. If you mix red and violet, you get red-violet. If you mix violet and blue, you get, that's right, blue-violet. Okay. If you mix green and blue, you get blue-green. Okay. Now, you can also do a dotted line upside down triangle if it helps you remember where your secondary colors go. Sometimes that helps kind of to remember that they're evenly spaced apart on the color wheel. Now here we're going to be doing the complement the color. That is the opposite of this color. So if you start on this side and you go directly to the opposite is violet. If you start at red and you go directly to the opposite, this will be your opposite color. Or a complementary color. Okay, so if you do blue and you go diagonal to the opposite, what do you get? Orange. So these colors will look really bright if you put them next to each other, but they'll make like brown and gray if you put them, mix them together instead of just putting them beside each other. Okay, so that's labeling it. We're about to get ready to paint, and I'm going to start another video for that one.